In this video, I'll show you how to use Perplexity AI to quickly generate high-converting upsell ideas for your products and services. To begin, I navigate to the search bar and type in a detailed prompt asking for 5 upsell ideas for an organic facial moisturizer, ensuring I include a request for the psychological reasons why these pairings work. I click the Generate button, and Perplexity immediately begins searching the web to gather insights on current skincare marketing trends and consumer behavior. The results are impressive and offer a strategic approach to boosting sales. It suggests pairing the moisturizer with a hydrating serum to create a prep and seal routine, which leverages completion bias by making the customer feel they are getting a professional-grade experience. Now, I'll try a follow-up to see how it handles a different niche. I type a prompt for a local coffee shop, asking for 3 creative upsell suggestions for a standard latte with a focus on premium milk alternatives and snack pairings. Perplexity processes the request and identifies combinations that elevate the customer's experience without feeling forced or overly salesy. It recommends pairing oat milk with an almond biscotti to add a crunchy, premium feel to the morning routine. Another great suggestion is soy milk paired with a chocolate chip oat cookie for an indulgent treat, or almond milk with a dark chocolate square to create a more sophisticated flavor profile. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.